final, but showing you what we got. NA Designs, loose cannon 48. Yeah. So we had the cab on here before 1600. Now we got the 3001 DSPLX Orion. Took the liberty of adding a couple more runs of wire, which we already had it set up for that anyway. So, yeah, wasn't pretty much worried about it on the cab. But as you know, it's a 4th order, 2-to-1 ratio, 3 cube seal, 6 ported, and 47 hertz tuning on the ported side. So yeah, see what it is. Yeah, still got a couple more things to do. That green remote wire is not supposed to be there either. Just had to get it running for the meantime. So I'm gonna do some more testing on the added power. Still don't have the alternator yet, so just look for updates. A lot of more deadening to do. Rear deck and trunk as well. Roof too. So trunk is actually dead, but foam and all. But yeah, you see. Yeah, man. Come get your issue, folks. And you know we finna apply pressure on you niggas, man. We out. Oh yeah, look at that there. 4-gauge speaker wire, folks. 4-gauge speaker wire. Yes.